Have you ever wondered what draws thousands to the heart of the South for a weekend of mudslinging fun and unbridled revelry? Let's dive into the phenomenon of Titty Road at the Redneck Mudfest and uncover what makes this event a standout. In the world of off-road festivals, what is the Redneck Mudfest and where is it held? The Redneck Mudfest is an annual gathering that celebrates Southern culture, off-road adventures, and live entertainment. Typically held in locations like Colquitt, Georgia, this festival attracts enthusiasts from all over the country who are eager to partake in mud bogging, truck pulls, and a variety of outdoor activities. What is Titty Road and why has it become infamous? Titty Road refers to a specific area within the Redneck Mudfest grounds known for its uninhibited atmosphere. Here, festival goers often engage in adult-themed festivities, including flashing and lively partying. This section has garnered notoriety for its wild ambiance, drawing both intrigue and controversy. What recent events have brought attention to Titty Road? In recent years, Titty Road has been a focal point of discussions due to the explicit nature of activities reported during the festival. Attendees have shared stories and footage showcasing the unrestrained celebrations, sparking debates about public decency and the festival's overall image. How do organizers address the activities on Titty Road? Festival organizers are aware of the reputation Titty Road has developed. While they aim to provide a space for attendees to express themselves freely, they also emphasize the importance of safety and consent. Security measures are typically in place to ensure that all participants can enjoy the festival without compromising their well-being. What should potential attendees know before visiting Titty Road? For those considering a visit to Titty Road during the Redneck Mudfest, it's crucial to be prepared for an environment that is both exhilarating and unrestrained. Understanding the festival's guidelines, respecting personal boundaries, and prioritizing safety can enhance the experience while ensuring it remains enjoyable for everyone involved. In conclusion, Titty Road at the Redneck Mudfest epitomizes a blend of Southern tradition and unabashed celebration. Whether you're drawn by the thrill of off-road challenges or the allure of its infamous party scene, this festival offers a unique glimpse into a subculture that thrives on mud, music, and merriment. For a visual taste of the festivities, you might consider exploring content from past events online, keeping in mind the explicit nature of some material. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into unique cultural events and the stories behind them.